Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to share with you guys how to save some money, stop buying that gift filler, and make your own. So keep watching and find out how to do it. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this. And I had some wrapping paper lying around at home, and what I've done is I'm just going to cut them into long strips first, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut this wrapping paper, or any kind of paper that you have lying around. You can even use your old newspaper for this. So you can actually reuse, recycle any kind of paper that you have lying around, and just cut them into long strips if you can, in this way. And you can actually ask the kids in the house to join you, and it can be a fun project for everybody in the family. Of course, if you have a shredder at home, a paper shredder, then yes, those shredded papers can be used for this sort of a filler, and you wouldn't need to make these yourself. But if you would like to do a DIY version of them yourself, then I'm going to show it to you how you're going to do this with these strips of paper. Now, what you need to do is, once you have cut these strips of paper, you need to take a few of them at one go, not too many, because when you take a lot of them at the same time, it really doesn't crinkle them well enough. So I would advise you guys to take a small amount, as small as you can, and then you fold them in your hands. And I'm going to show it to you how you do it. So you're going to fold it in your hands, and then you're going to just make a ball, like a circle. Just keep on rolling them in your hand, and just keep pressing it down and crushing it. So when you open it, you will see that it looks like something like a crinkle paper. It looks totally different. It looks like a crinkle. It looks like it took a long time to crinkle it, and actually it just took a few seconds to do it. So this is a great idea to do it. You can actually use all sorts of paper. You can even use the plastic paper or shiny paper, or even like you can have it color themed for your gift for your friends or family. And this is a great idea to add some height to your gift. And if you would like to place your items a little higher, but you have a bigger basket or a bigger box that you would like to use, so you can use this kind of a filler to fill the basket inside, and that would really lift your gift and make it look much nicer. So next I'm going to be uploading this video on showing you guys how to use these fillers in hampers that I had done for some family and friends. So do keep coming back to my channel. Do subscribe and turn that notification bell on so that YouTube notifies you when I upload this video next. See you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.